How to add other story to my story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can add someone else's story to your own story. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Currently, if I just go ahead and then launch the Instagram application on my phone, and then I just try to add someone else's random story to my story. So let me just go ahead and then choose a specific story from the list to show you guys. So let's say I want to add this story to my story. The only way I can add someone else's to my story is for me to take a screenshot of this story, and once I take a screenshot I can manually add them to my story. But you can also directly add a story as long as you're mentioned in it. So in this story I'm not actually mentioned, but if I show you one of the stories on which my friend mentioned me right over here, it says mentioned on my story, you'll find the button that says add this to your story, or you can also open up that story and you'll find this section that says add this to your story, and when you tap on this button over here, it'll directly take you to your story where this person has also been tagged along with their story according to what they've written over here. And now you can tap on the your story button in order to add this to your own story on Instagram. Now keep in mind that only if you're tagged in it you'll be able to add directly, or else you just have to take the screenshot. And that's all it takes to add other story to your own story on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.